Hi everyone, I'm Shamli and I love to create fun DIY crafts in my free time. In this series, I'm going to explore felt cloth to create different DIY crafts. You can have cute, colorful blossoms for your living room that won't wilt at all. Want to know how? So, let the fun begin.
Let us look at the materials needed to make the flowers. We will need paper straws, glue, button, colorful felt cloth. You get a variety of colors. Choose the colors that you would like to make your flowers. So let's begin. I am going to choose red and green felt and then maybe choose one more color that will go well with these two colors. I am going to use this bangle to trace a circle. You can also use a bottle cap or any round object to draw a circle. Let's trace a circle on the green felt too. Always start from the corner of the felt sheet. This way you can use the remaining part of your sheet for your next projects. Fold the circle in 4 parts. Now make one small fold. Now when you fold like this and cut a petal, you will get a flower with same size petals. Draw a petal shape on one side and cut the felt. Since this is a bit of a small shape, we might have to give some finishing to the flower after opening it. Let's take another color felt. It should be contrast with the red color that we are using. Draw a circle and cut it out. Yellow circle ready. Now we can start to assemble the flower. We will use a normal white glue to stick the felt. Apply a generous amount and let it sit for some time. It will stick well in a semi-dry state. For the stem, we will use a paper straw. Glue it on the green circle. Now stick the red flower over this. Stick the yellow circle too. We will stick a button over this to give a finishing to the felt flower. Your cute felt flower is now ready. Don't forget to watch our next video. Till then, stay tuned to What is Your Hobby?